Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I need to put about u equals to e to the power of negative s. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have the u equals to negative e to the power of negative s ds. dv we have cosine s ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to sine s. So we have u multiplied by v. So we have e to the power of negative s sine s minus we have the u multiplied by v. Because we have the negative sign here, negative with negative, you got about positive, and we have the integration e to the power of negative s sine s ds. Now we use the same technique for this one, but we need to change into sine s. The integration of sine s, we have negative cosine s. So we have u multiplied by v. So we have the negative cosine s e to the power of negative s minus we have the u multiplied by v. Negative with negative, they cancel, so you got about positive. So we keep about the negative sign in here, and we have the integration e to the power of negative s cosine s ds. And we know that everything in here equals to this integration. So I will put this one go to the right. So we sum two integrals in here, and we have number 2. And later that we divide both sides by number 2. And here is about the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.